gosh.
Bergen County in northeastern
It's hard.
Northern Essex thunderstorm warning force. Passaic County.
Oh goodness.
Southeastern New York. Rockland County in southeastern New York.
Oh God.
Until 5 p.m. At 3:53 p.m., severe thunderstorms
All
were
right.
located along a line extending from Powhatan to near Crandon Lakes to 5 points to near.
Let's go.
Moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible.
Let's go.
Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Severe thunderstorms will be near West Milford and Upper Greenwood Lake around 4:15 p.m. Greenwood around 4:20 p.m. Power lines. Severe thunderstorms will be near Ramsey and Popton Lakes around 4:35 p.m. Monsey around 4:40
Oh,
p.m.
SVR for the city of Wilkes-Barre.
Wayne and Maine around 4:25 p.m. Lewisburg around 4:30 p.m. For your protection, carry a room on the lowest floor of the building. Monsey around 4:40 p.m. And continuous Wayne and Maine around 4:45 p.m. Ridgewood and Hawthorne around 4:50 p.m. One of nature's leading for your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
What the heck?
Large hail, damaging wind, and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning are occurring with these storms. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey: Bergen, Essex, and Passaic, and Rockland, New York.
Oh, double header. What the heck? Yo, what? Why is there a double header on KZZ31, bro? What's the point? Oh, that's why, because there's an SVR for Carbon and Monroe. Alright. That's great.
Issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Carbon County in
Bro, what the heck?
Pennsylvania,
Double header on
Central Monroe County
KZZ31.
in northeastern Pennsylvania until 4:45
Goodness.
p.m. At 3:55 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along the 5 to 10 knots after midnight.
Alright, bro.
Waves around 2 feet this evening, then 1 foot or less. Chance of showers and slight chance of thunderstorms early this evening, then slight chance of showers and thunderstorms late this evening. Visibility 1 to 3 nautical miles this evening.
Right. Sound the big, so they're not.
And Forest Reservoir.
Yeah, it is.
For your fleet and Forest Reservoir. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. In addition to hail and damaging winds, frequent cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with these storms. Storm has been issued until 4:45 p.m. for the following counties in Pennsylvania: Carbon and Monroe.
Yo, triple header! What the heck, dude? Oh my gosh, triple header on KZZ31. You gotta be serious right now. Like, what the heck? Goodness. Bro. Okay, what the heck, bro?
Southwestern Sullivan County in
Okay, now an SVR for Sullivan and Glen, bro. What the heck? That's great, Binghamton.
At 3:55
It just caused a triple header on KZZ31.
Located near Equinox. A full gale moving southeast at 55 miles per hour.
Goodness, what the heck?
Hazard, golf ball size, and 70 miles
Oh, it's a
per
controllable.
hour.
Oh no.
Source, emergency management.
Oh, it's observed.
The storm has a history of producing widespread wind damage and large hail.
Goodness, what the heck?
Impact to people and animals.
Bro, I got a triple header on KZZ31. What the heck?
Hail damage to roofs,
Goodness.
siding, windows, and vehicles.
Okay, bro.
Damage is
Dude,
also
what the
likely
heck?
to mobile homes
There's no little
and
way.
outbuildings. Locations impacted include Monticello, Bethel, Damascus,
Goodness, what the heck?
Callicoon, Cochecton, Jeffersonville, Starlight, Stalker, Montauk Valley,
It just says
and Maplewood.
Stalker.
For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:45 p.m. for the following counties: Sullivan, New
Bro,
York,
look at these storms. What the heck?
Pennsylvania,